Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy in Keynote 2025: how to hide a slide. Whether you're prepping a presentation and need to skip a section for a specific audience or just want to organize your slides better, this quick trick will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Keynote presentation open on your Mac or iOS device. It's that sleek Apple software we all love for its smooth interface. Now, locate the slide you want to hide. You can do this in the slide navigator on the left side of the screen. Just click on the thumbnail of the slide to select it. Once your slide is selected, head over to the top menu bar and click on Slide. That's right, it's under the Slide menu. From the drop-down, look for the option that says Skip Slide or Hide Slide. In Keynote 2025, it's typically labeled as Skip this slide. Click on it and poof! Your slide is now hidden from the presentation view. But wait, what if you change your mind? Unhiding is just as easy. Select the hidden slide again in the navigator. You'll notice it might have a little eye icon or be grayed out to indicate it's skipped. Go back to the slide menu and uncheck the Skip this slide option. Easy peasy. One quick tip: hiding slides doesn't delete them, so your content stays safe. This is great for rehearsals or tailoring presentations on the fly. Remember, in older versions of Keynote, this feature might be slightly different, but in 2025, it's more intuitive than ever. There you have it. Hiding slides in Keynote 2025 is a breeze. If this tip helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.